Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to do a Dollar Tree DIY. You guys, I've got leftover this and that and wanted to show you. So from the Dollar Tree, I got one of these, and I'm just going to be using this. Again, I'll save this as a leftover. And then I've got one of these napkin holders. It's a little napkin ring. I think they came in a set of 4 or 6. A candle plate. And this bowl. And if you remember, I had used the top lid to make a apothecary jar. And then I just used a little picture I found off the internet, blew it to the size I needed, and then one of these little guys here. So let me go ahead and show you. First things first is I'm going to take these little guys off, and I've already done one over here. And so the way that I did it is I just put, you could either use heavy duty scissors like this, or you could use, oh gosh, what's it called? A screwdriver. And you just push it under there and kind of work it out. And it'll kind of pop up here. Oh! All the other ones came off much easier than that. Now you can save this for something else. I save all my bits and pieces because you never know. And then you're going to find a piece, and we're going to take this off, and it comes off rather easily. We're just going to clean it up. See how easily that comes off. And just get all your pieces off of there. And then go through and get those little pieces. And again, you can save this. It is a nice little piece of burlap that you may want for something else. Because I'll tell you, I don't know, we're still on our quarantine. I know some of the states have been set free, but we still have another week or so before we're even here. And then you're going to take these backs off as well. And it's just a teeny tiny little screwdriver to get those off. And then this will be a nice flat piece of wood there. So that is now off. And we're going to have a nice flat piece of base there. And let's go ahead. What we're doing, I don't know if I said this, but we're going to be making an old-time scale. So I've got this. And again, you can use the E6000 like this. In fact, let's see, we might use, well, I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to use the Dollar Tree version since this is a Dollar Tree DIY. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, not all of it, just some of it there and here. And then I'm going to put a little bit here and here. Okay, and then, because I definitely want this to last, then I'm going to do, in the areas that don't have, I'm going to use the hot glue. You don't want the two to touch. And then once I get the hot glue on there, I'm going to center this up, just like that. Okay. And I'm going to decide where my front is. So I'll make this my front because it looks like it is about the best centered there. Now I'm going to take this little guy and I am going to, ooh, don't do that. I'm going to take this and put it all the way around. And again, you can do this with your E6000 as well. You just, for time's sake, I'm doing it with the hot glue. And I'm going to take this and put it up on top here. And we're going to take this and we're going to center that up. There we go. So now you'll see we've got this great little stand here. I think we're good. So I've got this sitting. I'm going to take out my little cosmetic wedges because that is what I like to use to paint, or you can paint the whole thing with a spray paint, whatever you'd like. So I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to put it on here. Everywhere that you can see is going to be white. So we're just going to go ahead and paint this guy up really good. And then I'm going to let it dry. So I will paint him and then we'll get back. Okay? Okay, we've got that, and now we're going to paint this guy. And I'm just going to do this with a paintbrush. And really, it only needs to be the sides, not any of the top, because we are going to Mod Podge the top. But we want this to get nice and white and blended in there. So, and then we're just going to let this dry, and I will be back shortly. Okay, now that we have let this dry up a little bit, I'm going to set that to the side. I've got ink all over myself. I'm going to, well, I'm going to take this guy here and a little bit of Mars Black, and I'm just going to put just a tab there and pick this up with this. And now I'm just going to find a few pieces here and kind of go over it and give it a little bit of a ceramic, like a faux ceramic feel. And let's see if you can, oh, we're going to just do it all the way around here. And don't worry about pieces mixing, not getting it on straight, because if you look at any of those old scales like that, you'll see that they are just broken up like that. And then we're also going to do right around parts of the edge here. Just like this. And just little pieces. If you just want to add a little bit, don't be afraid. And you can get all your sides if you'd like, however you want. Now we're going to take this piece here. I'm going to set this off to the side, and we're going to do just a little bit here on this one as well, just around. And don't be afraid We're just giving it some wear and tear here. It's amazing how just that'll do that. So I'm going to add a little bit here and there all the way around. Okay, so then I showed you, I just took a piece of copy paper and copied a Wayrite scale on there, and now I'm going to take my craft bond and I'm going to lightly put that on here. And we are going to bond that right on there rather nicely. It bonds really fast, so make sure you've got it in place. There we go. So, but you could use any type of glue. I just happen to use the craft bond because it works for me. And now, this is the final. We're going to make sure that's not, we're going to get the side that I want to be the front, which I forgot where I decided. Oh, it was going to be right here. So I'm going to set that here so you can see. And then I'm going to take this guy here. And again, you can use your hot glue if you'd like, or you can use your E6000. Just be very careful. And we're going to put this right in the center. Just like that. And you guys, look, it's a scale. I'm going to take pictures so you can see it from the front, but it looks super cute. All right, if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe like I said in the beginning. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.